Samsung ice maker giving you problems? Ice not being made, ice jams, or ice that looks and tastes wrong. Sometimes the entire ice maker assembly needs replacing. When individual fixes don't work, if you've already tried a hard reset, check the water supply, replace the water filter, and clean the ice maker, and it's still not working, the ice maker assembly itself has failed. What the assembly includes. The complete ice maker module contains the motor that rotates the ejector arm, the tray that holds the water, the sensors that detect ice fill level, and the heater that releases ice from the tray. When any internal component fails, Samsung usually recommends replacing the entire assembly rather than individual parts. Common Samsung ice maker assemblies. DA97 series part numbers. The exact part depends on your model. French door models have different assemblies than side-by-side models. Cost. The assembly part runs $80 to $150. With labor, $200 to $300 total. Known Samsung ice maker issues. Samsung ice makers are the most repaired component across all Samsung appliances. Models from 2015 to 2022 are particularly prone to freezing up, where ice forms around the ice maker mechanism and locks it in place. Samsung has released multiple service bulletins and updated parts to address this. If your Samsung ice maker has been repaired more than twice, consider whether the fridge is under the manufacturer warranty or if it's time to evaluate replacement. Samsung ice maker repair. OEM parts. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.